Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to be doing a product review on this Mousse Def product by the Doux. It's called Mousse Def. And this is a texture foam high definition control mousse. And I saw this post on Instagram and they were using this for a wash and go, and in the post they said it cut down on drying time, it made styling easier, it said you don't apply any products before, and how this would give you super defined wash and go with no crunch or frizz and all that stuff. So I was like, with the mousse, let me try it out. So I'm testing out this product in this video. So I'm just gonna get right into the video and stop rambling. I'm gonna show you guys how I put the products in and then give you my final thoughts, and I hope you enjoy the video. So my hair is pretty dry, and I'm just gonna use my aloe vera gel to wet it instead of water. Yeah, I don't think that counts as a product, so I'm just gonna use my aloe vera gel to make my hair even more wet, because I think your hair is supposed to be pretty wet when you put this in. Clean damp hair, so this is damp, but I'm gonna get it a little more wet. All right, so here's my hair, no product at all, which is different. And I'm just gonna get the mousse. A nice pleasant scent. It says apply a liberal amount, so I'm gonna start with this. It has a lot of slip. Feels good. It has a lot of slip for sure. And so I'm just sort of using my thumb to pull through. And smoothing it. All right. Okay, so here is my hair. It looks all good and defined. Not bad. I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair and we'll see what it's looking like. All right, so all the product is in my hair. And yeah, that was really easy to put in. So this stuff says that, it says cut styling and drying time in half. So it is 8 o'clock. I'm trying to go to bed by 10:30. So I'm gonna see, hopefully my hair is completely dry by 8:30. That would be amazing. I didn't put any oil in it. It says, do not apply oil to hair before applying this product. Maybe I should put oil in it. No, I'm not gonna put oil in it right now. I'm just gonna let it dry, and then when it dries, I'll put some like oil on it, touch it up. I think, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna let it dry. It's 8 o'clock right now. Hopefully it's dry by 10:30, since it's supposed to help your hair dry so fast. Which I can believe that, because I barely have product in it and it's just a mousse. But that was super easy to put in. I love the texture of this foam, and it has like a little slip to it. The smell, it has a scent, but it's such a soft and subtle scent. Like, I like it a lot. I have high hopes for this stuff. So yeah, I'll come back before I go to sleep to show how my hair is and just, you know, tell you if it's dry or not. And I'll see you in a few hours. Hey you guys, so today is the next day, and last night my hair was a little dry, so I just went on and used a diffuser to dry my hair, and I have to say, drying my hair, that was the easiest it's ever been to dry my hair. I literally was diffusing my hair for about 5 to 7 minutes, no exaggeration, and my hair was completely dry. I was like, what? And my hair was pretty wet, like at the roots and in the back, so I was pleasantly surprised. But then again, I only use this mousse and no other product, so of course that's gonna help my hair dry faster. But yeah, drying my hair was very fast and easy. Thank goodness. I really tried not to stretch my hair out when I blow dried it. But of course, like I sleep in a pineapple, so that's gonna stretch my hair out a little bit, which is fine. But yeah, these are the results, and this is what my hair is looking like. So that very like subtle pleasant scent is barely noticeable now. And even if it was, I wouldn't mind because it smells good. It's very like soft, like quiet scent. And I have a lot of definition. My hair feels very light. It has a lot of movement. I don't have any flakes. I did, like when I woke up this morning, my hair was pretty crunchy. So all I did was I took an oil. You can use any kind of oil you want. I use this Alike Naturals lemongrass oil. I put about like 4 or 5 sprays of the oil in my hand, rubbed my palms together and just scrunched my hair out, and that took care of that. I do have a very, very, very small amount of frizz like up on the top. I really don't mind, and also I didn't put any oil on my hair. So if I did put oil on my hair, I'm sure that would have reduced the frizz for sure. But really, like, it's no big deal, and you barely can tell that I have any kind of frizz. If you can see it, it's like a little on top. But my hair feels really good, and I'm so surprised that I got this with just using a mousse. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. First of all, the packaging is super cute. It's giving me like a 90s vibes kind of feel, kind of look. And I also like that this mousse has a slip to it. So it's definitely a liquid, but when you put it in your hand, you get the foam and you rub it, you can feel the slip in it. That definitely helps it go in your hair easier and helps define your curls. So I really, really like that. And I mean, I'm impressed by the product. I like it a lot, and I am looking forward to using this again in the future because wash day, it was made a little easier. I mean, I still had to like go in and dry it. I let it air dry for about an hour, 2.5 hours. And my hair was really wet too, so it's all good. My hair was about halfway dry, but what I do know is it's definitely made drying my hair easier, especially when I went in with the diffuser, and it did cut down on like styling time because I use less product. But yeah, I really do like this product, this Def Mousse by the Doux, and I'm looking forward to using it again. Those are my thoughts on the product, you guys. If you've used this product before or any other products by the Doux, leave a comment down below. Let me know how it worked out. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you haven't tried it, you should try this for your wash and go, girl. Check it out. Other than that, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all next time. Bye.